Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide unwanted comment on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Like most social media platforms, Instagram can be a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it's a great platform for building community and followers. On the other hand, you have to deal with haters and trolls leaving rude and obnoxious comments. Fortunately, your account belongs to you and you can easily delete or hide an Instagram comment if you need to. So how to do it? It's so simple. You can hide the unwanted comment on your Instagram. You can open your Instagram. You can go to your profile. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down on how others can interact with you section. There is an option comment. I'm sorry. You can go to hidden words on how others can interact with you. Tap on hidden words. And here you can manage the offensive word and praise and the unwanted comment on your Instagram. Here's by default your hide comments is active. You can maybe if inactive you can tap on the toggle on here. So Instagram will automatically move a variety of comments such as those that are potentially offensive or spam to a spirit section. So anyone can see this comment and you can unhide them at any time. This also hide the replies to your posts on threads. You can also enable the advanced comment filtering if you need to. You can also hide the message requests on here. You can also custom words and praise that you don't want in here. It's so simple, right? So that it how to hide unwanted comment on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.